Remember, if you support a faction, whether Team Weza or the 23rd faction, do it for the nation and for the people, not for an individual. What is now or never? Zambia factions must talk before it's too late. This might start as a civil war, and no one can stop it. That was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. And Rabirachi, for me, Pipi Chwenga is the characteristics that represent the public. That's a fact you can't take away. That's why I want him in 2028. But for someone else, ED is the one building the nation, and he deserves to lead until 2030. These are just different beliefs and ideas. Once you see me, Isaac Makumich, criticizing something good done for the people by someone from the 23rd faction, that's no longer politics of service. That's politics of hatred, hero worship, and being misguided. A 2030 supporter must feel comfortable visiting someone from Team Wenza. We must have debates, not hatred. If you hate someone because they support Team Wenza, you are not a politician, you are obsessed with what you benefit from your faction. If Tungara Otagure drill balls for poor people in rural areas who don't even know about petty factions and those people benefit from the ball, then what's wrong with Isaac Makomichi writing good about Tungara's balls? If something benefits the people, it must be supported. Stop calling us names. Remember, we are not enemies. We are just have different ideas. Simple. This whole thing should be about the people. Whoever does something that benefits the people must be thanked. I strongly believe VP Chwenga would be happy every time he sees donations that benefits the people, no matter who made it. And if VP Chwenga makes a good speech that benefits Zimbabwe, the 20th faction must also share it because it serves the people. My conclusion, we must learn to embrace each other despite our factions. We must serve the people, not individuals. Let's engage. We will find common ground, or else we are going for a civil war sooner than expected. Thomas Kwambele tukapangwa ina na Isaac Makomish. Ibonza mafunguro enyi kulipa msoro awape his speech. So subscribe or like, or join on the bell icon.